Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord car key battery. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, which is essential for carefully prying open the key fob casing. Additionally, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 3-volt coin battery ready for replacement. Having a soft cloth nearby can also help protect your key fob from scratches during the process. Now, let's carefully open your key fob. Begin by locating the small button on the side or back of the fob and press it to release the hidden metal key. Once released, pull the metal key out completely. Next, find the small notch or slot along the edge of the key fob casing. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate, allowing you to carefully pry them apart. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, take a quick mental note of how the old battery is oriented, usually with the positive side facing up. Using your small flathead screwdriver, or even your fingernail, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, carefully insert the new CR2032 3-volt coin battery into its slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Try to avoid touching the battery terminals with your bare fingers. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing, making sure all components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the metal key back into its designated slot. Now, take a moment to test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your car doors, to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.